Here's another spot got hit hard off of 10th Street. I don't know exactly what street this is. It's like a war zone over here. Trees uprooted. Look at that. Holy crap. Completely split this guy's house, or this guy's barn in half. Holy crap. You see that? Split it right in half. Dang. See that over there? Man. Look at this. Trees just snapped like toothpicks over here. On houses, on cars, on sheds. Oh my goodness. Real bad here. Oh my gosh, see that? Right on their house there. At least those are small ones. They have a lot of insurance claims today. Look at that huge tree back there uprooted. Wow. Pretty bad.